Well, welcome back to Budget Traveler and another adventure. And here's Irwin, my new friend from Canada, lending me his bike to go pick up my laundry, which was a very helpful idea because walking there is a little slower than riding. So here I am picking up my laundry at the Lavanderia. I liked the bike ride so much, I decided to take a little tour, and I'd like to show you what I discovered. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Well, Irwin was nice enough to lend me his bicycle here, and it's got a little basket in the front where I can put my laundry. So I live at the other end of Higuera, Blanca. There's one of their roadside restaurants there. There's a view of Monkey Mountain up there. One of the many trucks for the busy construction here. Here's another restaurant called Los Venados. Building material place. There's another roadside restaurant there. Here's a couple of those tour buses there. A water drilling rig. Over here, hola! And this is the tour company, Vista Paraiso. Met the owner of that there yesterday. There's another view of Monkey Mountain up there. It's got a nice peak. And now we've got the welcome sign across from the tire shop to the town, Higuera, Blanca. And there's the tire shop, hola. There's the tire repair shop right on the side of the road, next to another restaurant. Lots of restaurants everywhere here. Punta de Mita, the most expensive area in all of Mexico, is here. Got some wheelies here. They like to do wheelies all over the place when they're driving their motorbikes. Yeah, and riding bikes is certainly the way to go here. A lot faster than walking. There's a chicken place. Here's a local kiosco. It's kind of like a 7-Eleven. And here's the main town here. Higuera Blanca is the big sign there. That's where you enter there. Another store there. Another restaurant. There's another restaurant here. No shortage of restaurants around here. And this is the main road to Punta de Mita, and you can see it off there in the distance, all the big cranes for their building down there, their building boom in Punta.